Hello Paddy's Legion, this is Paddy's Divote here. Coming with you with the Easter eggs found in the 15th anniversary Legionnaire set. We have Rule 13, Lord Darmadon, and over here we have the photo of Kyanea's father and mother and her samurai S. And about that spin, and it's going to be the Hands of Time weapon, and the weapon rack, the telephone, all the Easter eggs, and if you want to remove the top of that, you can see Kai's Season 1 Ninja Herder. And I have the map hidden somewhere nice and safe. Let me know which was your favorite Easter egg that you found in this video. And may the force be with you always. Bye.